Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make an origami chair. I'll be going over the steps in an easy to follow tutorial, so let's get right to it. You're going to start off with a sheet of paper like this. Now this is a square sheet of paper. What you're going to start off by doing is folding it in half from one side to the other. So I'm just going to take it from one side to the other and I'm going to fold it in half. You want to get the lines as lined up as possible, and when you do, you just want to give it a nice crease just like that. Now you're going to unfold it and then rotate it 90 degrees so that your line is going from one side to the other. You're going to take the bottom and you're going to fold it in half to the line right there. So you're going to fold the half in half. You're basically going to fold this side in quarters, okay? Then you're going to turn it around so the unfolded side is at the bottom. You're going to unfold this so that it's easier to see the line. And then once again, you have your lines going side to side, and you're going to fold this half in half. So fold the other side into quarters, just like that. Line it up with the middle crease and give it a nice fold, okay? Now unfold it and turn it sideways so that all of your lines, and you can see I have 3 lines, are going vertically up and down, okay? So now I'm going to take the left side and I'm just going to sort of fold it in like that. And the crease was already there. I just folded it in. Then I'm going to take the bottom, and you can see one side, one half is folded, the other half is not folded, is unfolded. I'm going to take the bottom and I'm going to fold it up just like this, and I want to fold it in half. Once again, try and get the lines as straight as possible. When you fold it in half, just give it a nice crease. So now what we have is the thicker side, because this side has the extra fold in it, and the thinner side, okay? And there's a side that is open and a side that is closed. This is the side that is closed, as you can see. I'm going to turn it around to get the closed side on top. So right here we have the open side on the bottom and the closed side on top. Now I'm going to take the thicker side, which is over here, the thicker closed side, and I'm going to fold the corner into this line right here to make a nice sort of corner shape. So I'm going to fold it into that line right over there, give it a nice crease. Then I'm going to do the other closed side. So this is the thinner closed side. I'm going to take this corner, fold it in towards this line right here, and give it a nice crease, just like that. So now we have something that looks like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take this side, which is the thicker side, and I'm going to fold it the opposite way on that same line that I just created, the opposite way. Okay? And the reason that I do that is because when I unfold it, we're going to open up this side, and we're going to fold this inwards. So because we folded it the opposite way, it makes it easier to fold inwards, just like that. And now we have something that looks like this, and you can see it's folded inwards like that. We're going to do the same thing with the thinner side over here. Fold it the opposite way on that exact same line, just like that. Unfold it and then fold it inwards. So I'm opening it, pressing it inwards, and then just giving it a nice crease when I have it all folded. We're going to try that one more time. Fold it inwards like that and give it a nice crease. So right now we have these sides folded inwards. And this is what the sheet looks like so far, okay? So very, very simple, the next step. We're gonna actually turn it around. So these sort of pointy sides on the bottom. I'm gonna take this side, fold it into the center, just like that. Then I'm gonna take this side, fold it into the center, just like that. And what that does is that gives us a little flap to create our centerpiece, our seat for the origami chair. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this seat, this flap, and I'm folding it in half so that it lines up right there. Just like that. Then I'm going to take this side over here, fold it inwards, and then I can unfold this and take this side right here, fold it inwards. So you're just really enhancing the creases with this step. Now we're going to turn it like that. We have our seat and we have our sides. And there is our origami chair. And it's literally that simple. In this video, I've shown you how to make an origami chair. I've outlined the steps in a step-by-step manner. And this tutorial, if you have followed along, it should be pretty easy to follow along with, and you will have made a nice origami chair, just like this. And that's basically it. I really hope that you have enjoyed this origami video tutorial. Be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.